Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Discord keybinds not working. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If your Discord keybinds, keyboard shortcuts are not working as expected, you can try the following troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. First method, open Discord and go to User Settings, Keybinds. Verify that your keybinds are set up correctly. Make sure that there are no conflicts with other applications or system-wide shortcuts. Next method, if you're experiencing issues with specific keybinds, try reassigning them to different keys. This can help identify if the problem is related to specific keys. Next method, right-click on the Discord shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This ensures that Discord has the necessary permissions to capture keybind inputs. Another method, if you are using the Discord overlay feature, it might conflict with keybinds in certain games or applications. Try disabling the overlay and see if the issue persists. Go to User Settings, Overlay, disable the Enable and Game Overlay option. Another guide, some third-party software or applications might interfere with Discord keybinds. Temporarily disable or close other applications to see if the issue is resolved. Next method, close Discord completely and reopen it. A simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary issues with keybinds. Another method, if none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Discord. Make sure to back up any important data or settings before reinstalling. And lastly, if the issue persists, consider reaching out to Discord support or visiting their community forums for further assistance. They may have specific recommendations based on the latest updates and community feedback. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.